Hello. Are you super confused about when you need to be posting? What time? When? Should you be engaging before? Should you just do it whenever your insights say? I'm here to tell you how. I'm Emily Schwalbach, co-founder of the Social Squad Society, and I'm going to share with you when you need to be posting. So there are two parts to this. The first part is I'm going to show you using your insights to see when your followers are most active to kind of set yourself up for the base of how to make this decision. All right, so what you're going to want to do is go to your account, go to the hamburger at the top right, click on it, go to Insights. Then you'll want to go and change from last 7 days to last 90 days, update that, and then go to total followers. So you'll see top locations, age range, gender. I want you to go to the very bottom and look at most active times. You can kind of go back and forth and toggle between the days and see a little slight difference. But as you can see on mine, my biggest time is typically 12 or 3 p.m. What you need to also take note of is that this is in PST. It is not EST. I am an EST, so is Shannon, but we have to keep in mind that this is PST, okay? So my best times are noon, 3, 6, all around that time. So this is how you can see when your audience is most active on your account via Insights. Okay, but Emily, what if my most active time is 6 p.m. and that's when I'm cooking dinner? I would just rather not post because if I can't post at my most active time, then what's the use in posting at all? I get this question a lot. Shannon and I have to talk to our society members and our clients about this. If you cannot post at the best time for your account when your audience is most active, that's okay. It shouldn't prevent you from posting at all because that's missing the point. Here's my rule of thumb. If you're not able to sit and engage and really connect with your audience before and after you're posting, then you need to pick a different time, because we want to make sure that you are getting the most bang for your buck. We want to make sure that you are making your efforts on Instagram worth it. So if your best time is in carpool line when all your kids are strapped in and you can respond to DMs, engage on your feed, maybe look in new hashtags and find some new people to connect with, and then you post and then you wait around for that first comment, but it's not your best time, that's what's best for you and your life. So yes, you can look at your insights. You can see when your audience is most active. However, if you're not able to actually do it, if you are not able to stick around a little bit before and after and make it worth it by engaging, then that's when we look at a different time for you that works best for you in your life. Remember, this app is not meant to control you. You control this app. Your strategy is reflective of you and your life. Do not be bound by those times. I think that another thing to note is if you do choose a different time and you're not seeing a lot of action, your engagement has severely dropped, that's when you do another time. Instagram is a lot of trial and error. So when do you post? One, you go look at your insights. You see what are maybe the top 2 or 3 times of day where your audience is most active. 2, you think about your life. What is best for your life? Can you post at 3 p.m.? No, I'm doing homework. I'm picking up carpool. I don't sit in line and do that. All right, well then you need to pick a different time. What we don't want you to do is get so hung up on the analytics that it prevents you from actually posting. So think about what's best for you. Think about what's best for your life. And a little tip for engagement is something that Shannon and I both do is we will wait on the days that we post, we wait and we respond to DMs. We will go back to our previous posts and we will respond to those comments right before posting, because as we know, Instagram views actions like these as connection points. So let's say Shannon posts, Shannon's an ideal client of mine. I really want to work with her. I will go and respond to a comment that she has made on my post. And then if I post, more than likely Instagram will say, oh, they're connected. And then she will get shown my content that I just posted. So if you're trying to really connect with someone who's ideal for you and your product or your service, make sure you're engaging with them in some way, responding to their stories, going and commenting on their posts, responding to a DM that they sent you. Make sure you're doing that around the time that you're posting, because more than likely your content will be put right in front of them, which is what we want. I hope that was helpful. We have so many other great YouTube trainings and tutorials. Like and subscribe. If you want more tips and tricks, be sure that you're following Shannon and I on Instagram. Shannon's handle is at Shannon McKinstry. Mine is at Emily_Schwalbach. And as well as we have our Social Squad Society account, which is at Social Squad Society. I hope that was helpful and hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.